So tell them what you're gonna do.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. You're gonna cut it. Careful! You have to cut your hand, bro.
It's not open. You gotta cut a little lower.
Oh, down, like here.
Right there. Look, Ariel's showing you. Cut lower.
No. Wait, all of them?
All of them.
Go, 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 go. Oh, are we only gonna make another one when it's not cutting?
Smell it. How does it smell?
Good. Good.
Now what are you doing?
Pour the water. This is easy. Now, crack the egg. So guys, we are gonna crack the egg. It's gonna be two at a time. Ariel. Yeah, not my turn. I'm gonna do this one. This is my chicken. I put one little bit in. Only this part I'm just gonna crack. Wait. Mario. Yeah. Oh, mix. Freak out. Let me smell. The egg smell good. Oh, Mommy, I cracked it in my hand. Got nothing. You need mix.
Now what's next?
Mix time!
Don't mix it crazy.
Yeah, I don't want to be that colored. Because we always get that colored. That's the birthday girl. Then we have to mix all. Oh my God! The eggs get mixed and then it smells good. That tastes good, but I want to eat one with the cake or something. Coming in. No, I'm not. Oh my God, it's low. I'm mixing really, really fast. I'm doing like Daddy.
Let Tommy take a turn.
Okay, my turn. That's my birthday. You don't let me do it.
Alright, now take it back to the birthday girl.
Yeah. That still looks like a circle. That's your turn. I thought only you can mix. We are going to take a quick break. Guys, we are going to get the cake and we're going to put it in a plate. So let's get a spoon.
Ooh. It's okay if you make a mess.
One scoop?
And then put one scoop in the other bowl.
This one?
Nope, in the other one.
Okay. That's a big scoop. No, belated Daddy to say that last time was my birthday.
He did.
I do saw that before. Cause that's Ariel pick a big scoop. Not my turn. Ariel! I told Mommy, when I was trying to walk, somebody just told me happy birthday, and now somebody just told me her birthday is, and her birthday is.
Okay, so let's get the rest of the cake
Mommy.
mix.
Birthday.
So what are we doing next?
We are doing food coloring.
Food coloring.
It was
Say it again to the camera. What are we doing next?
We are coloring.
All right.
It was my birthday because
Mommy, it's your turn first.
because you said this is purple, this is pink.
Mommy, it's your
It's
turn
okay. You guys
first.
can do it together. That's fine. So Tommy, go ahead and put. I'll get it. That's fine. Put five drops.
Okay.
One.
Oh, I can do that. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
I'm not 5 years old.
I know, but it's okay. And then put 5 drops of the other one.
This is look like red.
It looks red, yeah.
I got food coloring on my hair.
Look at you. Look at you. Why is it
Right.
this purple? This is
One,
pink. This is red.
2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3.
Ew, why is that purple? This is. Why is that purple? This is pink. This is red. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that's purple.
5.
It's not red.
Now, everyone.
Let me get that one.
I spilled it.
No.
Tommy, give me the purple and the pink.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We might need more.
That
Let's see.
is not 5.
No, that's okay. Go ahead and start mixing. One bowl at a time.
Oh.
Whoa.
Ariel, you need more.
Yeah. You're gonna need more green.
Red one?
This is Ariel. See this color all the time.
One more.
This is turning darker. Now I need to pink.
You could just tap it on the paper.
Ketchup.
Tap it.
Ketchup. It's turning red.
Yeah, it's turning pink red.
Wait, what is that purple? Wait, what is that purple and pink? This is red.
No, it's turning pink. It's turning pink. It's not red.
This is it. It's like
Yeah, it's the light pink one and the couple of red one.
this is turning red, mommy.
Sorry, I think
Mustard. Mustard.
It does look a little bit like mustard.
Mustard.
Mm.
Goodness gracious. The blue one. It's the blue one. I'm mixing.
You're not supposed to put all the chunk. You're supposed to tap it in the bowl first.
I do want to.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. You're done. Leave it right there. Leave it. Okay.
Mine's just not there yet.
Ariel, put more blue.
Put the daddy.
more blue?
Put the daddy. Maybe a couple of 3.
During this
Yeah.
one.
I put daddy. I got myself. I put 3. I put 3. I put daddy. I got myself.
Poppy, you don't have to do the same thing she did.
Why is
it's just a stick on it. What did you say? Done.
Alright.
Whoa! We are gonna take a quick break. So hi guys, we are gonna put the cake in these so we can see what they make. The music isn't singing. Music keeps me dancing. So guys, we are gonna put two cake in this and this one and this one, and we are gonna teach you how we make it. So Tommy, let's go show us. So we're gonna show you. You have to get two big old scoop. Yes, that's okay. Big old scoop. And now we need more scoop. Look there. And now you get the green one. And now you get a big old scoop.
No, we're not mixing no more.
I got one of mine. That's fine. Big old scoop. I think I jumped on the floor. That's all.
You put 2 in that one? Put 2.
What?
Put it in the purple one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I blew 2 big old scoop. Now I'm done. Daddy, I'm done. What did I do?
Okay.
What did I do, Mommy? I already do the green one and the. You have to wait for me. Yeah, I'm done. So guys, Daddy's gonna do the rest. So get the purple for him. I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find, don't let the sun go
That's that baker skills right there.
Mommy, my
Big
tab
old
is
scare
there in my table. Mama, I need to be like that.
All right. Oh, guess we lost one. Ariel, send them off.
Why?
Just tell them we'll be right back. Tell the camera we'll be right back.
We could be right back.